Practice problem number 1 tells us that Joshua saves $50 every 2 weeks he works. I'm going to highlight that as that's really the key piece of information we're going to end up working with. It says the total amount of money Joshua saves is going to be proportional to the number of weeks he works. And our goal, our job, which I'm going to highlight as well, is to graph a line on the coordinate plane to show the amount of money Joshua saves when he works 8x weeks. So again, our main goal here, the question asks us to graph a line. And the key piece of information is that Joshua saves $50 every 2 weeks. If we're going to be asked to graph this, in this case on MCAS, they're going to make you work with a digital graph here too. The way we do ours, you're going to have to double click to start plotting these points or graphing this line. And the key, for a second, I'm going to focus on the fact that Joshua makes $50 every 2 weeks. Joshua makes $50 every 2 weeks. I should know that the unit rate, if this is a constant or a proportional relationship, is $25 every 1 week. So this key, knowing it's $25 every 1 week, we need to plot a few points. Here I see this graph. After 1 week's work, he's going to be at $25. I could even plot a point at the origin, 0 and 0, because when he hasn't worked, he hasn't earned any money yet, and it's a proportional relationship. We know it's going to go through the origin. I could say after 2 weeks, we know he's going to have made $50, and we start to see the trend here of a proportional relationship that starts at the origin, like every proportional relationship. And in this case, Joshua's getting $25 every 1 week. If you want to get real exact, real quickly, you could zoom in and put that exactly on the origin. So that's the graph we're looking for practice problem 1.